In this video, we'll show you how to embroider the French knot. We're using Sirdar Happy Cotton and you'll use the yarn and needle in your pattern. So let's start embroidering. We're going to take our cotton and you want to take a length that's not too long so it doesn't get too knotted. Cut. And then we're going to use your tapestry needle and your yarn, and to thread up your needle we can use a small bit of cotton to go through the eye of your needle, and then you're able to put that yarn through the loop and then you can pull through and it will thread your needle for you. We're now going to tie a small knot at the end of our thread, and we're going to secure this at the back of our work. So how I like to join it is we go through the back and then take your needle and split the yarn and sew through the yarn just under your knot and pull to secure, and this will keep your yarn secure at the back. We're now going to be embroidering our French knot. We're going to come up from the back to the front, pull through, hold the yarn where you've come through with your thumb. We want to take our needle and hold our yarn, and we're going to wrap around our needle, creating a spiral. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then taking our needle, we're going to go back into the same spot where we came out. And I push them down and hold this with my thumb whilst I pull the needle through the other side, slowly pulling through the spiral. Don't pull too tight as you'll pull your whole knot through. You're now going to come up next to your knot, pull up loosely, and then taking your needle, we're going to go back through the middle of that spiral and pull down to secure, completing your French knot. I'm going to go through that one more time. So I'm going to come up through my fabric from the back to the front. I'm going to pinch with my thumb. I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to hold my thread a bit tight so I can wrap it round. I'm going to go around 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then place the tip of my needle back where I came through. Push that spiral down my needle and hold lightly with my thumb. Pull through, pulling gently, not to pull your whole knot through. Then I'm going to come up close to my knot at the base, pull lightly through, and then go through the centre of that spiral back to the back to secure my French knot. The more wraps you do around your needle, the larger knot you'll get, but if you do too many, it becomes too high and will sort of topple over. And that's how you do your French knot. Practice until you're confident and then head to sirdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.